DJATV. Welcome to DJATV. DJATV. Court don order APC and Baba T to respond to APM petition wey dey file against them. My people, we greet you now. We welcome una to this our channel. If una never subscribe to DJATV, where ogbonge tori and update dey share, rush go our YouTube channel now, go subscribe, and also follow us on our Facebook page as e dey hot. Make we quickly run enter the tori wey we carry come. Now, wow. Nigerians dey face Peter Obi and of Labour Party and Atiku of PDP matter wey dey court against APC and Baba T. Na in this party wey dey call APM, Allied People's Movement, matter come still enter. And this party, their own petition carry weight too. Dem dey urge court to nullify Baba T victory as president-elect. Say Baba T no dey qualified to be president, as in no dey qualified to be presidential candidate for APC at all. At all. Na yesterday wey be 9th of May, this court hear their petition and Justice Haruna don order APC and Baba T to respond immediately before the next hearing come Thursday 11/2023. My people, no be small thing o. APM. Anyway, make e no be like say we just dey talk. Make we take make we read some newspaper updates, because Premium Times sef carry this news. Now make we read from the newspaper updates. Make una listen. The headline be say court orders Tinubu APC orders to file response to opposition parties application. The Presidential Election Petition Court in Abuja on Tuesday order All Progressive Congress APC and its presidential candidate Bola Tinubu to file their response to all pending applications in the case instituted by the Alliance People's Movement APM. Nigeria's Electoral Commission INEC declared Mr. Tinubu winner of the 25th February presidential election, but the APM, among other opposition political parties with their presidential candidate, is urging the court to nullify Mr. Tinubu's victory on account of his non-qualification as a candidate of the APC. At a pre-hearing session of the court on Tuesday, after taking submission from the lawyers to parties in the APM petition, a 5-member panel of the court led by Haruna ordered all parties to file their response to all pending application before the next hearing date. Mr. Haruna adjourned the petition until Thursday for continuation of the hearing session. My people, now from Premium Time for take that update. So not be small thing, my people. We dey talk about Labour Party and PDP petition against APC. Now we dey see this APM. So hey, this matter long no be small, and even for inside this their petition. So when they talk all these things, so now wow. Anyway, my people, that the update will say more update on like this. So concerning this court matter where they on. So now also we promise on say as update they enter, we'll come the update to now. Today now be the continuation of the hearing session for Labour Party, and we promise say we go dey give una update. So as updates come, we will come dey give una. Anyway, wanna drop on a comment, I wanna visit this story and this matter we will just come tell you now. So and make una no forget to like and share this our video. Now do well. See you in our next video. Bye.